Today we're going to bring a Makita battery replacement. If you have a need for 40 volts, this is a perfect thing to do. We got here a Makita saw. We're going to use it and we're going to see if it works properly. Also included with it, you got the lighting here. So when you get there, Makita, this is a 40 one from Makita. It has the same thing, additional things for the light also too. It's brand new in the package, but not going to use that. We're going to use this one as a replacement, 40 volts, 4.0 amps, if you guys can see that. And it's a little smaller than the actual regular Makita, but it's the same thing. It fits in perfectly. We're going to go ahead and test it out. So the way it works, if you guys can see, dropped it down from the top. Fit wise, works perfect. All right, we're also going to see if the battery fits the actual charging station, if you guys can see that. So basically load it up and it's charging right now. You could hear it's charging. It's going to take a couple minutes so we could get the fully charged and then come back and reuse it again. So we end up cutting it. Right. Here's the 40 amps that we have in here. 40 amp battery. It's a clone. We're going to set it up for Makita 40 amp saw. So we're going to go ahead and cut right now. I'm going to use one. Alright, and we're going to take the battery out and we still have some charge. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.